Hi guys, it's me Miguel. Today back in another video today. So today's a very happy day and today I got 300 subscribers. And I want to thank my fans that are my cousins in Washington, Michaela and Junior. And I want to give a shout out to my 300 subscriber. Whoever you are, I'm giving a shout out to you. And let's open this box of fidgets, and we got lots of fidgets in here and stuff, and we can see all of these good fidgets that are very cool, and I'm gonna show them all to you guys. And make sure you guys like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And let's try to get to 400 subscribers, you guys. Okay? Our next goal is to get to 400 subscribers. Oh, guys, I just found this cool, some cube thing. Let's open it. Wow, this is cool. Now we got this mesh ball, I think, you guys, and we got some keychains, like cool keychains and stuff, and you can move them around and stuff. And we got this. This looks very cool. And we got a ball, a football, and another box. Yeah, another box. Okay. Okay, there's the garbage right there. And there. A little stretching guy. A little stretching guy that you could probably, I think, throw at the wall and it'll stick. And we got this thing. This little thing, I don't know what it does actually, you guys. This is just like my first time playing with these little fidgets. And we got this, you guys. And this is probably like one of my favorite ones. This little thing where it comes out the hole. And let's open this one. Some Orbeez inside of it with a dinosaur. And some Rubik's Cubes. And this block thing that's so satisfying. Okay. And I'm not gonna open these two, because I don't want to make a mess on the ground again. And we got the skateboard that, like right here. And my second favorite is probably this ball that you can spin. And it's probably my favorite one out of, well, this one's actually my favorite one out of all of them. And my second. And this is cool too. There's like little ball stuff. I think it's not a, well, I think it is kind of. And we got this thing that I like to use. And we got these little fuzzy balls and the regular bouncy balls and this stretchy thing with, and there's a pea, the pea thing. And another little stretchy guy. These were always cool to me. Just remember, guys, new sub goal. Let's get this Yeah, let's get this video to like 20 likes. And let's get 200 subscribers. Okay, you guys? And we got another one of these stretchy guys. And we got the ball that you can spin like a fidget spinner, and another one of these, and a slinky thingy. These are cool, you guys. And whatever, mochi, I think. Yeah, mochi. One of these little mochis. We got so many of these guys. We got this little thing that you could swing with it, and you could throw, and then it will stick onto something very high. And we got the little 2 fidget spinners. And those are cool. And I don't know what this contraption thing is. This is cool. And another one of these slinkies, and a little keychain thing. And another one of these little, another one of these things, the little thing where you swing and then hit it on the wall, and it will stick on. And we got the squid thing. This is cool. So cool. We got the squid thing. You could stretch, and we got this little thing. I remember playing with this when I was a kid. Oh, I forgot how to technically work it. Oh, there we go. And the ball, these 2 balls, the football and the baseball. And we got the little stretchy thing, and another one of these balls, and a finger little bracelet thing, and another skateboard. The wheels are kind of broken, I think. And we got another one of these keychains. We got these keychains. And another one of these fidget spinners. I could kind of balance on my thumb. And these little spinny things. And we got the putty. Let's just open this one for last. And we got the little maze thing. These were always fun to me. And another one of these mochis. You guys, got this mochi. Okay, guys, and we got another of these things, and we got this little snake thing. You can like make it go into different shapes and stuff. This is cool. And we got the mochis. This cat mochi that's very orange. Look, this cat one. And I'm gonna put all the mochis like right there. I think that's all of them right there. And we got another one. I think this is a glow-in-the-dark one, you guys. And another one of these things. these sticky things. This is cool. And another mesh ball. Let's just open it. I'm gonna tell you guys something, and this is pretty funny, you guys. So one time I had a mesh ball, and we were at Walmart, and I squeezed it too hard. It popped all over me, you guys. It was so funny. And we've got another skateboard. Another cool skateboard. And this chicken thing that I wanted to open, and now we get to open it, you guys. Ooh, is this the mesh ball? I think there is, and there's a chicken inside of it. There's a little egg inside of it. Yeah, there is an egg, you guys. That's cool. A little egg. Wait, is this head twisted? That's my question. I think it is. Oh God. His head's twisted. And we got another of these little traction things that I do not know how to work. Oh, so that's what you do. Now I know what you do with those ones. And we got these little these things that you could like play with. These are cool. These little fingers, these like things where you move the marble stuff. These are cool. And we got this little these bracelet little things that I do not know what they go with. And we got another of these little things and a little timer thing. A timer. These are cool. And we got, yeah, oh, I think I know what these are. I'm just not gonna open it, but I'm gonna show you guys. But I don't want to lose the pieces to it. Look. You know what, I'm gonna open it and then just keep the little balls in, like the little balls, like right there. Dude, this is cool. This is cool. Oh, I see now. You're supposed to put it there. Then they will go move around. We got this. Now the last one, you guys. I think this is putty. Yeah, I think it is. Or just... Oh, it is putty, you guys. Or, yeah, it is. Okay, guys. This was all fun showing you guys all these fidgets that I got. My favorite one's this.
What's in it?
Like a face or a dinosaur. Yeah, it's a dinosaur. And this one, his head's twisted. And look, there's an egg coming out of it. And we got 4 mochis. And there's another dinosaur. So if the dinosaur egg was out, and then it hatched. Oh God.
Try to spin on your fidget.
Huh? I'm trying to find them. I got these, that, and where is it? I have one. Yeah, that. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Okay. Go. Which one's gonna stop the last? The first one the last one standing wins. Oh no. This one's almost out. Yep, he's out. These are still going. This one's kind of slowing down. Purple has one. Dude, that's satisfying. That is so sad. It's like making a line and then coming, like it's making a line and then it's just not. It's like making little bubbles. Thank you guys for 300 subscribers. It means a lot. Bye. Peace.